Stunning turn of events this week in the Sarah Jones Bangel cheerleading case. Not only did she plead guilty to an offense that she swore that she did not commit, she also has revealed that her and the victim in the case, Corey York, are in love. They've always been in love, and yes, in fact, they did do the deed while he was a student and she was a teacher. Ryan Kerns, I want to hear about this because this is the case where she went on national TV, said she absolutely did not have sex with him, did not happen. There was a relationship, but it was not sexual in nature. What happened?
Well, this is a situation of two families who were actually close. This is such a small town, Alison, that the victim, Cody York, and Sarah Jones, their families are close, and they got together to try to keep all this under wraps. The mother, Sarah Jones' mother, was actually convicted of tampering with evidence because she asked Cody York to throw his cell phone away. So they both support each other through this entire process. Now, ultimately, but once the court ruled that all these text messages sent between her and the
These are the sexting.
The sexting messages,
okay,
right?
Right.
Which are allegedly
yes,
pretty
Robert
scandalous.
Sheehan. We use air quotes because there's been a big deal made about sexting, which we'll get into. So once the sexting messages were ruled that they were coming in, what happens?
Then Sarah Jones pled. She's pled out of the more significant crimes to lesser charges of sexual misconduct. And ultimately what the plea deal ended up resulting with is 5 years probation, no jail time, and no sex registration. Now, she also cannot be a teacher anywhere else in the country as part of the plea agreement as well.
Okay, so she did plead guilty, but I also found it very interesting that in her statement to the court, she admitted to having sexual relationship with him. Is that correct?
Yes, she did.
Okay, and now they have come out publicly as a couple. Mr. Sheehan, first we'll talk about some of the legal issues here. Did it mean anything at all that she had come out and said that she did not do it and denied it publicly, and then at the time of the plea, she admits to doing it? Does that mean anything at all?
Doesn't mean a thing legally. You can deny anything you want in court. I mean, outside of court, it's what you say in court that counts.
Okay, so that had no impact at all, didn't matter at all?
Didn't matter.
Okay, and she did plead to a lesser charge, and she's given 5 years probation. Unusual that she wouldn't have to register as a sex offender?
No offense, this is a nothing crime. I mean, for goodness sakes, only in the United States is a 17-year-old not capable of consenting to sexual intercourse. The Europeans actually laugh at our country.
I don't laugh at it, and I find it so offensive that a school teacher, a school teacher who is in a position of power would be involved with one of her students. And I do think that there's a double standard here, and if it was a male and it was a female student, we would be all over it. There's no question that he would have been given time, and there's no question that he'd have to register as a sex offender.